keep talking in English with my daughters. So this
Oh,
way,
really?
what do you do for uh, learning English? For because you are speaking very nicely and
Choose the very easy task. That is a coincidence that we both are from the Uttar Pradesh.
yeah.
Hi and good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good. Tell me about yours. How are you?
I am fine, and I was eagerly waiting to have a conversation with you because I have watched your videos on YouTube and I liked them, and I'm your subscriber too. That's why.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I think you are the first subscriber to whom I have the conversation. So it's really you can say like a pleasure for me.
So we are meeting first time. So I want to know something about you.
Okay, my name is Pooja, and I am from Saharanpur, district called in Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed my education. Right now, I am doing preparation for the government examination, like competitive exams, and
Yes.
in teaching sector, mainly for the designation of PGT Economics.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
So tell
great.
me about yours. Yeah.
My name is Pooja Saxena. I live in Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh. And as per my qualification, I'm MA BEd. I'm married and blessed with two daughters. And these days, I'm learning English. That's all about me.
Wow, great. And what a coincidence that we both are from the Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah.
And I also done the MA with BEd and the name. We also have the same name. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's really a great coincidence.
Yeah. What do you do for uh, learning English? For because you are speaking very nicely and impeccable English you are speaking.
Uh, Thank you so much. But I am in my, you can say this is just my beginning. I'm a beginner. So if
It
you are appreciating me, so it's really a great thing for me. And
doesn't seem
as,
it doesn't seem that you are beginner.
oh, really? Thank you so much. So, as you are asking me that what I do for enhancing my English. So, first of all, I subscribe to the Cambly as through that video you approached me. So
Yeah.
that platform, yeah, yeah. And secondly, I whenever like I do my home chores, so then I just like the plug in my Bluetooth like this, and hearing the like listening the kid stories, English kid stories with
Yes.
yeah, because I think for the beginner it's a good thing because you can say when you are in the you can say in the starting place. So if you go through a very tough article and reading newspaper, so it's very difficult to learn that. So that's why I just choose the very easy task, that is a kid story, because with that I do the both things, my home work also, and you can say yeah, also learn the English.
This is the good.
And yeah, and third thing, I would like to tell you that from the last week, I also do the conversation with my friend. At 7 p.m. we had a like you can say we plan 1 hour practice for English conversation. In that we do like role play and conversation, news reporting. Yeah,
Yeah.
so I'm
So
learning.
that's how you are improving your English. That's good
Yeah.
idea. I also listen English content whenever I get time, and I also listen kids stories. Panchtantra
Uh,
stories, because they are
okay.
in a simple English and simple words used in these stories, and especially in cartoons, very easy English is used. So I also watch these videos also to improve my English.
Oh, great. Yeah, so when you see the animated videos, so there that is a, you can say, very easily you learn from that. And there are many sentences, that we don't know, and from the story we learn that, oh, you can say this is that word, we can use it.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah,
yes, exactly. And lots of structures we get by
yeah,
these stories and animation stories also, cartoons.
yeah,
Okay.
definitely. I agree with you. So,
Yes.
as you said, so tell me about you that what are the other things that you do apart from this watching kids stories?
Uh,
You
Apart,
also read newspaper or
yeah,
something?
I also read newspapers, read and listen English content, and apart from this, I keep talking in English with my daughters. So this
Oh,
way,
really?
so this way I'm doing practice, and they always correct me. This way I'm improving, because I don't have anybody in my surroundings to do practice with, to speak with. So I only take the help of my daughters, and I keep speaking the whole day in English with them. This,
Wow. Wow, it's really like a blessing. The daughters are really a blessing for you. So, tell me that as you, daughters, what your daughters, what is the age of your daughters
yeah,
that
my
they help
elder
you?
daughter is doing BCom honors, and it is
Wow.
second year, and younger one
Okay.
is in 10th standard this year.
Wow.
They both are
So,
fluent in English, because both are studying through English medium schools. So they both are fluent. So they always correct me. Yes.
wow. So, like you are just creating the environment, right? By speaking with your daughters.
Where I am doing is, earlier my daughters used to get only environment in school, uh, spoken environment. But ever since I have started speaking, then they are getting now environment in home also. So this way they have become more fluent now. I have
Uh,
noticed. Yes.
oh, great. So it also helps to your daughters also, right?
Yes. And now
Wow.
it's very necessary for kids, upcoming generation, to speak in English, because without English they don't get, it is very difficult to get any job, to crack any competitive exams, as you know. So it is more important for them. I am just learning because I was passionate about speaking English. So I am doing this. Now my kids are grown up now, so I thought, why shouldn't I work on this skills? I enhance my spoken skills. So this way, I am doing my performing my passion, fulfilling the wish to speak in English, and as well as I am giving the atmosphere for my daughters also.
Wow, it's really a good thing, you can say that, the main problem with us is that we don't have the environment, right?
Yes.
So, as you are you can say, like talking with your daughters, so I can say that it's really a wonderful job you all are doing.